Most people try to make money online, right, and fail. Not because they're not smart, but because they're doing it the wrong way. Right now, there are thousands of beginners watching videos, learning skill, but still not making any money. They're stuck in a loop, learning, but never actually starting. But at the same time, like, right, there are people like complete beginners who are quietly making money online, not experts, right? Not professionals, like just normal people who decided to try something different. And the interesting part is like they're not working all day. They're not spending years learning skills. They're simply using AI to do the work faster and smarter. Some of them are making their first $10, some are making $50, right? And some are even reaching $100 per day. And all of this without coding, without expensive tools, and without any prior experience. So the question is, what are they doing differently? Why are they getting results? While most people are still stuck watching videos and doing nothing, that's exactly what you need to understand. So in this video, I'm going to break this down for you in the simplest way possible. No complicated strategies, no confusing steps. Just a clear method that beginners are already using to make money with the AI. And the best part is you don't need to be perfect to start. You don't need expensive tools. You don't need a team. And you definitely don't need years of experience. All you need is a basic understanding and the willingness to take action. Because the reality is, most people don't fail because they can't do it. They fail because they never start. They keep waiting for the perfect time, the perfect skill, the perfect moment, but that moment never comes. So instead of overthinking, I'm going to show you a simple path that you can follow step by step. You can start small, learn as you go, and improve with time. And if you stay consistent, this can turn into a real income stream. Step one, choose a simple service. Now, this is where most people go wrong. They try to learn everything at once. They try YouTube, freelancing, drop shipping, all at the same time. And because of that, they get confused and quit. Instead of doing that, focus on just one simple service, something easy, something that businesses actually need. For example, you can offer Instagram captions, email writing, product descriptions, or short scripts. These are simple tasks, but businesses need them every single day. And most business owners don't have the time to do it themselves. So they look for someone who can do it for them. That's your opportunity. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to pick one thing and stick to it. Start small, because clarity comes from action, not overthinking. Step two, use AI to do the work faster. This is where things become powerful, because now you don't need to do everything manually. You can use AI tools to generate content in seconds. For example, let's say a client wants 10 Instagram captions. Instead of thinking for hours, you can simply use AI. You type a simple prompt like write 10 engaging Instagram captions for a fitness brand targeting beginners, and within seconds, you get results. Now here's the important part. Don't just copy and paste, take what AI gives you. You're in and improve it slightly. Make it sound more natural, make it more relevant. That's how you add value. You can do the same with emails, ad copies, product descriptions, even video scripts. So instead of spending hours, you're completing work in minutes. And this gives you a huge advantage because now you can deliver faster than most people. And in the online world, speed is everything. The faster you deliver, the more clients you can handle. Step 3, get your first client. Now, this is the part where most people get scared. They think, what if I don't get clients? What if I fail? But the truth is, you don't need 100 clients, you only need one. And platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are full of opportunities. Every day, businesses are posting simple jobs. They need content, they need help, and they're willing to pay for it. So what you need to do is simple. Create a basic profile. Don't overthink it. Just clearly mention what you offer. For example, I help businesses create content using AI tools, then create 2 to 3 simple gigs. Keep your price low in the beginning, maybe $5 or $10. Why? Because your goal at the start is not to make big money. Your goal is to get your first result. Once you complete your first order or writing and get a positive review, everything starts changing. More people trust you, more clients start messaging you, and slowly you build momentum. Also, always respond quickly. Speed matters. Many people lose clients not because they lack skill, but because they reply too late. So stay active, be honest, be confident, and take action, because the opportunity is real. Step 4, scale your income. Now, this is where things get interesting. Once you start getting clients, you'll realize something. AI saves you time. A task that used to take hours can now be done in minutes, and this changes everything because now you're not limited by time. You can take more clients. More clients means more income. Now, here's what you should do next. Start building a system, save your best prompts, create templates, organize your workflow. So every time you get work, you don't start from zero. You just reuse and improve. This makes you faster. And as you become faster, you become more confident. Now you can charge more, you can take bigger projects, and eventually, you can even outsource some work. You handle clients and someone else helps you deliver. That's how you scale. That's how people go from $5 orders to $100 per day and even more. So at the end of the day, making money with AI is not about being perfect. It's about starting. Right now, there are 2 types of people, those who keep watching and those who take action. The opportunity is there for everyone, but results only come to those who start. You don't need to know everything, you just need to begin. And if you want to learn more simple ways to make money with AI, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I'll be sharing more methods that actually work. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next.